Yes, there is an annual maintenance fee when purchasing the Command and Control platform. The annual maintenance fee for Guardian RFID is known as the System Renewal Fee. The System Renewal Fee will cover everything from software updates, tech support, the lifetime warranty of your hard tags, and other important benefits to your facility. The price of the SRF will depend based on the size of your facility and the scope of the deployment. For example, if you have a facility with around 100 inmates, the System Renewal Fee will cost somewhere around $3,200. But if you have a facility with around 250 inmates, your System Renewal Fee will run somewhere around $5,000. I'll also mention that the entire software platform is under warranty for the first year of use. On the 1-year anniversary of your go-live date, Guardian RFID will invoice your facility for the System Renewal Fee, which provides ongoing support for the next 12 months. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about us, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to our blog. If you're ready to take the next step with the Command and Control platform and want to speak to a team member, fill out the form by clicking the link below.